Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV. Yes, Biafra, DSS violating court orders, refuses Nnamdi Kanu from changing clothes. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer, Nigerian, ladies and gentlemen, in the clear, everybody say DSS say that they violate court orders. Say they no agree at all make Nnamdi Kanu they change his own personal clothes. What a wickedness. What a wickedness. So now the man, when they follow Nnamdi Kanu case, when be one of his lawyer, they tell everybody all over the world, Inena Ifani Ijofo. Na him be the counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, on Friday. Na him the nyan say the Department of State Service, when they be DSS, say they no agree at all make the Biafra agitator, when be Nnamdi Kanu, they change his clothes. Remember, say before, court been say make Nnamdi Kanu they change clothes, made them allow him to they change clothes. Okay? Ejo Kona they say the DSS then refuse to. They say no. Say they're not going to allow Nnamdi Kanu to change his clothes, even though say court ordered them. Court can't put it in effect. They made them allow the man to change clothes. But court, the DSS say no. Nnamdi Kanu cannot change any clothes. He said make all of us remember, say Justice Bintayanko of an Abuja Federal High Court say in don't order the security police, made that they allow the man to change in clothes. The judge, when yan the matter, he say in they very tired to see the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, with the same clothes all the time, when in the court can represent for a matter, say entire to the same Nnamdi Kanu with one cloth. Imagine the judge now can't they tired to the same Nnamdi Kanu with one cloth. Then when the government people, when they hold Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the IPOB, when they want to talk their own matter, when they want to talk matter concerning this Nnamdi Kanu changing of clothes, they can come back, can talk, say no, say not be them, say na Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, na him personally refused to change clothes. Say not be the DSS, not be the government. This will not look like cooked up story. So the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, go just feel like say in no go change clothes, brother. This one na cooked up story. This one na cooked up story. There is no how when Nnamdi Kanu will refuse say in no one change clothes. For what? Waiting go bring that level. So Kanu continuously to they appear in the court with one particular cloth during his court outings. One particular court. But however, Ejoko Kondenyan say the DSS say that then they very responsible for Kanu they come in court with the same cloth. Now DSS now they say no, the no go allow the man to change his clothes. So when Age 4, when being lawyer, when being counsel, the time when they come out, they address journalists in Owerri, Imo State. If I come vow say him and the people protest against the action when the DSS that they pull against the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. In fact, the Nyan is when the Nyan with Age 4 now mainly on the issues when concern the legal processes, the legal issues behind the Nnamdi Kanu and the court and DSS and everything, how everything they go, as well as other matters. Na him then the Nyan with Age 4. He can say, however, say they come protest against this kind of action when DSS they take violate court order and they can't refuse. They can't say no. They must to see the head of the police when they're supposed to file any their matter. The matter when concerning all these things, they need to see the person when we say now him they lead all of them there wherever they go they make this complaint. Okay, the head. So now they won't see. But onion do when the Nnamdi Kanu can advise them. So they made them take up this matter, go a very correct place when they're supposed to see whether the reason why when these people, when the DSS people, they refuse the fact, say the court done already pronounce the Nnamdi Kanu go to change plot. But at the end of the day, the DSS people say no. They don't want make Nnamdi Kanu change plot. So, ladies and gentlemen, the issue concerning Nnamdi Kanu is a big one that should concern everybody. Let's just read a little bit to see how the whole thing goes down. DSS violating court order, refusing Nnamdi Kanu from changing clothes. Lawyer Age 4 counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, on Friday, alleged that the Department of State Service, DSS, has refused the Biafran agitator from changing clothes. You know, there is something when I know they like, when I present my news. There is something when I know they like when these journalist people or Nigerian people or AK or the government officials they claim allege. I don't like that. I don't like allege. What are you alleging? If Age 4 is not alleging, the man they tell you categorically say the DSS people say no to Nnamdi Kanu. They don't want to make Nnamdi Kanu. This will not be accused, you know. It's not accusing them, and he is not alleging. Now, so the matter be, and then they point them straight. But the writers will begin come upon the allege. What are you alleging? These people are not alleging. They are telling you categorically what is really playing out down there. The DSS people and the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. They are not alleging. So we continue. Anyway. Age 4 alleged that the DSS refused Kanu from changing his cloth despite a court order to that effect. He insisted that the DSS refusal was a violation of the subsisting court order. Remember, say these DSS people, then they violate court order. They don't have respect for Nigerian court. They don't have respect for Nigerian judges. They don't have respect for Nigerian constitution. They don't have respect for anything in that country. Even the politicians, they are all the same people. Even the EFCC people, they don't have respect to court order. And that is very, very bad for this so-called democracy in Nigeria. Very, very bad. If you not dey respect the court as a policeman or as DSS, whom do you expect that will respect the court? You dey violate court order instead of you to show an example to the citizens on how things supposed to be. Now you won't be the head, now you dey scatter things. Meaning the DSS people, when they supposed respect court order, follow the appropriate law, everything, now them they violate court order. Every time. Every time. This Nnamdi Kanu will not be the first time when this thing they happen. Many cases and many examples to show of how DSS they disgrace the court of law, to show how DSS they float court order, to show how then they degrade the court of law. They don't have respect for the judge, they don't have respect for any Nigerian court. Okay, if you want to be a leader, you have to show people how leaders they behave. You have to show people when you want to lead good examples, the way they should follow. Because even this thing now, when the so-called DSS they do against Nnamdi Kanu, this is a very bad example that they are showing the Nigerian citizens. They continue. Recall that Justice Binta Nyako of an Abuja Federal High Court had ordered the secret police to allow Kanu to change his clothes. The judge had said she was tired of seeing the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, in the same clothes during court proceedings. Responding, the Nigerian government had said Kanu has refused to change his clothes. Remember what they tell us about Showore before. Make una not they forget things when these people don't do before. Remember a lot of things when they tell us about Showore do this, Showore do that, Showore make this. These people are scammers. They are not leaders at all. They are all scammers. They scam the citizen to live. They lie to the citizens, which is very bad again for Nigerian so-called democracy. Kanu had continued to appear in the same clothes during his court outings. However, Ejiofor stressed that DSS is responsible for Kanu's appearing in the same outfit. Addressing journalists in Owerri, Imo State, Ejiofor vowed to protest against the action of the DSS. He said extensive interaction was had with him on mainly legal issues as well as other engaging related matters. The officials of the DSS rejected for the umpteenth time the change of clothes brought to him. We, however, protested against this obvious violation of court order and insisted on seeing the head of the appropriate department to lodge our complaint, but Onyendu advised that we should take up the infractions at the appropriate forum in view of the fact that a positive order of court was floated. So, ladies and gentlemen, about Nnamdi Kanu, all of you don't hear again within DSS than the yarn. Waiting that they tell the world say Nnamdi Kanu na him want change cloth. And nobody say Nnamdi Kanu that way. So it is a fat lie, total lies. So if you get anything when you want to tell Funky concerning this topic, come tell us on our comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. All right, one love.